tidbits that you need to know before you get your behind in the kitchen. You gotta have your meat. Second tidbit is your recipe is only good as your sauce. Ooh. Your sauce is better to set it off. So for this, my crab cakes, my New Jersey style crab cakes, we doing 2 sauces. I have 2 little sauces in mine. So we're gonna start first with my mango salsa. We're gonna go in there first. Red, purple, but red onion, as Tack would say. Oh, yeah. Chopped jalapenos. I took most of the seeds out. There's a couple in there, but I took most of them out. Freshly squeezed lime juice. I squeezed it myself. I'm gonna use a little bit of that because I need it for my other sauce. So this is oh, I forgot. I need a little cilantro too.
Ooh, we
need some cilantro.
Yes, chef.
And then we need a little salt too.
Okay, heard that.
And third unofficial tidbit.
Please
season your food. I don't care. Season your food. Taste it and season your food. Okay? Season it. Okay? So season it. That's it. This is what we got. So we're gonna set that in the fridge. Can you set that in the fridge for the chef? Thank
yes,
you very much.
No problem, chef. This looks delicious.
I wanted to do a little avocado cream. Some sour cream here. Put this in the ninja blood and get it all smooth. Yay, yay. Okay. So I got some mashed avocado that I mashed earlier. And I put a little lime juice in it already so that it would keep its green color.
That's beautiful.
Thank you, chef. So we do that, right? Then we're gonna do this. Season your food to your taste. But you know, I'm gonna say about a teaspoon or so, whatever. A little bit. The rest of that lime juice in there. Some coconut. I love coconut butter.
Perfecto.
If you want to get like super duper hydrated, this is the one right here. Ice cold. That's
Yeah,
gonna change your life
for the morning.
This is your mixture after you blend it up, get it nice and smooth because you want it. This is going to be the base of my plate. This is my sauce. It's going to be on the base. So. What happens? Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna get into the main thing. Don't talk, don't. I use the claw meat because that's my business and it's always like $2 to $3 cheaper than the lump. This is a 16-ounce can of crab cakes. This is probably, it's gonna make a lot of crab cakes depending on how big you want to do them. You can get a bunch out of here. We had the Clatchet kitchen open this can, just FYI. After you struggle like I did to get your crab meat out the can, right? So what we got here, some bell pepper. We have green onion. You can use whatever kind of onion you like. I like green onion because I like the mild flavor and it doesn't really, you still get the onion but not like that sharpness white onions can have, I guess. And then I have cilantro because that's what we had today. Normally I would use parsley. So in here I have lemon juice and lemon zest. I I think, you know, complements the seafood, brings it out. Then we have your pinko. Now, like Maryland style, I don't like a lot of breading in mine. I think that the crab should be the main thing in a crab cake. I've had crab cakes where it's breading, it's not crab flavored bread.
Right.
And we don't want that. We don't want that. And you don't want to mix it up too bad. You don't want to break up the chunks. You want it to be kind of chunky. And even with the crab cakes, I like a lot of color, vibrant. I'm kind of, you know, eyeball it, and I don't know, mayo too. I got my eggs here. I'm getting ready to put them in a minute. Just give me a second. So maybe about so I got my seasonings here. Of course, you're gonna use, you know, your favorite seafood seasoning. Of course, I go with Obey because that's my best, and I like it. About a tablespoon or so, whatever you like. This one is the lemon and herb. I'm gonna do a little bit of that too. I have a garlic powder. And then it's Creole seasoning. We have, this is more spice Creole seasoning. And that's okay. And then a little bit of salt. Now, I told y'all, you gotta season your food. And then I put 2 eggs in. I put the eggs in last because I don't want it to, I want it to blend, but I don't want it to get tough. I want nice, tender crab cakes. Yeah, cast iron skillet, nice and high. You see the bubbles. That's how you know if it's ready. You want to just get your patty together. I like to pat it as I go. That's just me. Smoky. Ooh-wee. What you're looking for. So you want to make sure it's all uniform. And you can use a measuring cup if you want to get a more accurate. So you want to give that maybe 4 or 5 minutes. No, maybe not even. Maybe 2 minutes on each side. Aside from the egg, everything is cooked. So you just really want to get that egg heated up so that you don't get salmonella. We don't do salmonella in Clatchet kitchen. You're going to get that about a minute, maybe. It might be ready already because it's pretty hot. I don't want it. If you want to do a thicker one, you can even just sear it on both sides and pop it in the oven and finish it. So that's up to you. This is the color we're looking for. This is my mango salsa here. We got avocado crema. It's been marinating maybe about an hour. Mango salsa. It's been marinating for about an hour. And just mix that around. Let it get all sexy for you. Oh, yeah. Then you got your avocado sour cream. It's been marinating. It's got that pretty yellow color. That's how we're finna do this thing. Do a little dollop. Perfecto. Dollop. That right. You can switch it up to a regular pico if you like, but I like mango because you know we do a little sweetness with that there. It's most important. It's time to taste that tang.
OMG, I got my wine, y'all. I'm ready.
Let me get into that right there. Get a little bit of everything. Get you.
OMG, y'all. Let me put this down. Yeah,
Oh, God.
Stop playing with her, period. This one was stuck on that. Crab cakes. Combined with the wine. And what else could you, what you need? What else you need? Do a little bit of this, and I got some fairly large shrimp here that I've already peeled and, you know, deveined and all that good stuff.
Shrimp.
Yeah, we want to go big or go flavor. I'm gonna start with the garlic powder, just a little bit, not much. Onion powder. I'm gonna use a little bit of the Magic Blend seafood. It's pretty mild and delicious. It's not a lot of salt in it, so that's nice. And I'm gonna do a little bit of cayenne pepper because I do want these to be Cajun shrimp.
I like spicy.
A little spice in your life. Put a little bit of a dab. You know how I do when I'm doing what I do.
Yeah, I get that.
You know that. So I just mix it up a little bit. And decide if I want to add a little bit more. I want color. So I'm definitely going to go in with the Vouvray and some salt. Definitely. Like Chef said, make sure you season your food. Season your food. And here.
Hey.
Stop playing with me, okay? Period.
Yeah, season.
What the kids been saying? Period.
Period.
Period. Period. Okay, so I got that nice and seasoned. And for this shrimp pasta, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using bacon as the starter. So
We like some slime. Sorry, y'all.
yes, we have the bacon already pre-chopped off for this delicious recipe. All right, almost. Come on, water. The fat is starting to render, and this is going to be the base for our broken pan sauce. The fat that's rendering from this delicious bacon. This is a lot of bacon in here, so it might take a little while before we get to the crispy pan. A pound of pasta. I'm going to put it in there. I am going to salt my water for flavor purposes. And it smells like heaven arrived on earth.
Yes, it is.
This is a Cajun pasta, so we want those shrimps to be what you call Cajun. Let it do what it do for a second.
Right.
Okay, it looks like this now. We're gonna add tomatoes in there. And then yeah, spinach. And you can make this for your family. You do not have to use bacon if you're not into bacon. You can use turkey bacon or any other thing you would like, or you can just use olive oil to season your shrimp. I mean to oil your shrimp. Simply. And that's what you want. And I think I'm gonna taste our pasta.
Look at us.
Hey. Okay, so I would add a little cream here. Freezing everything with the frost. Alright. We definitely want to keep it cold though. And then we're going to remove this from the heat as well. Since I put olive oil in this pasta and I salted the pasta, this pasta is already delicious on its own. This is delicious pasta.
It looks delicious.
And it's perfectly al dente, and that's what we want. We want that delicious al dente pasta. And the way you're gonna plate this, I'll show you. Chef, would you cut me a lemon, please? Yeah. I have some in you should have some in the fridge. Yeah, I want like a corner. And cause see, if you're like with picky eaters like at my house, you want to be able to make this as diverse as possible. And take your delicious creamy hand sauce and drip it in there. Like I said, you don't need any more like 3 to 4 shrimp. Your tomatoes, delicious bread to go along with it. Get you a nice fork. I think we all want to try it or something. Kind of. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is the Cajun shrimp, tomato, spinach pasta with bacon as your base. And I hope you all enjoy this. I hope you try this recipe out. And if you do, tag us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Clatchet Kitchen. And let us know what you liked about the recipe. And if you're going to tweak it a little bit, let me in on it. I'm here for it. And we just happy to have you here, and we ask that you all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, support us in Clatchet Kitchen, and just keep us in tune with everything that's going on. If you have any videos you would like us to elaborate on, anything you want us to teach you, let us know. And we're going to be pairing this along with our delicious crab cakes with this Chenin Blanc wine. We did go into a Total Wine here in Orlando, and we picked up this nice bottle. They allowed us to try a few wines, and we did get to talk to a wine expert that helped us to pick out this delicious pairing that we have before you tonight. We both can agree that the pasta is delicious, and we hope that the wine will complement it as well.